Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here's another video related to square roots and cube roots. We will solve few examples so that you can find square and cube roots of different number very easily. So let's start. Okay, now our first number is 1764 and I'm going to find out its square root by prime factorization, and you all know that how to do prime factorization. 1764, you can see that this is an even number because it's ending at an even number, so definitely it's divisible by 2. So if you don't know that where it comes, you can divide this in the rough work. 2 8s are 16, then again 2 8s are 16, and then it's 4, so 2 2s are 4. That's it. Now here I will write 882 and 2 will be here. Again even number, divisible by 2. Now it's ending at 1, so I have to check at whether it's divisible by 3 because 3 7s are 21. So I will check it out. 441, is it divisible by 3 or not? So 3 1s are 3, and then 3 4s are 12, and 2 1 7s are, so it's exactly divisible by 3. I will write 3 over here, and 147. Now again, as it is ending at 7, so I will check it with 7. 7 2s are 14, and 7 1s are 7. Again it's divisible by 7. 7 3s are, and 3 4 1s are. Now these are not arranged as I have taken 7 before 3, so it's no problem. I can arrange it right now. If I will write all the prime factors of 1764, it's equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Now as I have to find square root, and I told you that in my previous video that this radical value is 1 by 2, it means that I have to make these all number into square form. I will write over here 2 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 7 square, and next it will be radical will be separated for each and every number, multiply by, so that you can easily find its square root. Now this radical value will cancel this square, so 2 into 3 into 7 is equals to 42. So this 42 is my square root of 1764. If you want to check your answer, you can multiply 42 2 times with itself. It will give you 1764. Moving towards next example. Given that prime factorization of 9801 is 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 11 squared. So they have done this procedure already, and they have given us index notation which we made in the previous example by ourselves, but here they have given us. Now what we have to do is we will write radical square root of 9801 is equals to 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 11 square. As I told you that radical value of square root is 1 by 2, so over here we have to make in the form of square so that we can cancel it. What you will do, it's easy way to split it. Like I can write it 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11 square, and from here I can make pairs of it, or directly I can split it into two parts. And next step will be 3 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 11 square. Again the same step, I will separate their radicals, multiply by 3 square multiply by 11 square square root. So they both are inverses of each other, so they will cancel. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11, so 3 3s are 9, and 9 into 11 is 99, which is our square root of 9801. You can check it if you will multiply this number with itself 99 into 99, it will give you exactly 9801. My next example is related to cube root by using prime factorization. So again I have to factorize 3375 and then I will factorize it as it's ending at 5. So without checking any other number, I will check it with 5. You can divide it in rough work like 3375 divided by 5. So 5 6 are 30 and then 37. So 7 times 5 is 35 and then 2 5. So it is 5 5s are 25. So it means that this is divisible by 5 because it was ending at 5. Again 6 and 75, I am going to divide it by 5. 1s are and then 3s are and then 5 5s are. Now again it's coming multiple of 5, so I will divide it by 5 and 5 2s are 10 and then it will be 7s are 35. 27 is divisible by 3. 9 times is 27. Then 3 3s are and 3 1s are. As it is cube root, so I have to make its radical value in the form of cubes. So as it is cube root, so radical value of this is 1 by 3 and I have to make all factor in the form of cubes to eliminate cube root. So in the same way, if I will write index notation of it, you can see 5 is repeating 3 times, 3 is repeating 3 times. So I am directly writing that cube root of 3375 is equals to 5 cube multiplied by 3 cube. In next step, I will separate them 5 cube root and then cube multiplied by cube root of 3 cube, and they are opposite of each other, so it's equals to 5 multiplied by 3 and which is your 15. So now this 15 is cube root of that 3375, and if you will multiply 15 into 15 into 15, you may check it. 15 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 15, it will give you 3375. So in this way you can solve any of the cube root. Just keep that in your mind that whenever it's a cube root, you have to combine 3 together to make its power cube, and then cube will be cancelled by cube root. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.